So when I bought my C6 Corvette, it came with these smoke taillights, which I'm not really a fan of. So I then decided to put the OEM tails back on the car because I felt like it would just match a little bit more with the red. And honestly, I really think it did flow. Shortly after, I removed the red wrap on the car and exposed the black OEM paint under. And the OEM tails were pretty nice with this colorway. But after looking at my car for longer, especially next to other modified Corvettes, my car looked a little bit too stock, so I decided to give the smoke tails a second chance.
Damn, that makes such a difference. Alright, so just the left side is on. Damn, that's like murdered out. Let's turn them on though, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, not gonna lie, that looks pretty good. See what I mean? It's just like the ring, the LED ring versus just this. Like everything lights up. Yeah, definitely that LED looks better. I need some clears, bro. Some clears would be just top tier, but until then, these will do. But I don't know, I really like that. I think it looks way better than stock, especially with the black paint. Pretty self-explanatory. It's just like I don't know. This is a T. What is it? A T15. There's one on each tail light, and that's literally it. You just pop them out, plug them in, and that's it. Damn, I think we made the right choice. Made the right choice, guys. This looks good. Wow, that looks so good. Never thought I would like smoke tails this much, but with the black it goes perfect. On a little side quest right now. Made our way to a little car meet in the area. It was really like 5 minutes away, but now we got some sick cars. We got Jin with us, Kinsu of course. We brought the vet out today. Haven't freaking brought this car out in so long, so we had to bring the vet out. Jin brought his vet out. We kind of made our own parking, bro.
Bro, I look so taut, bro.
Nah.
I want to be black like you.
But yeah, he just put his wide body on. It's all primered and everything. I honestly don't really go to meets like that anymore, but these are fire. Got a right-hand drive GC8, I believe, like the old school WRX. Right-hand drive. Fire. Check this out. Another right-hand drive 34. This thing is so sick. Fire. We're all just cruising here on the Nismos. Yeah, this thing's mad clean. Yeah, I don't really go to meets like that anymore, to be honest. I usually just like do my own thing, you know, install parts in the car. But every now and then I'll just pop up to a meet just, you know, for fun. I feel like I had to take the vet out. It's been so long since we took the vet out. I washed it and just like kept it in the garage, so it's nice to bring this thing out. Freshly clean and everything. Nice little E92. E92 M3. Can't go wrong. This is mad clean. E46. Look at this little T37 setup on 18s. Fire, fire. Nice little 46. Clean. Look at this S2K. Can you guys see me in the S2K? I thought about it too. It's on TDs as well. Wow, I love like the fender setups on the S2000s. They look so nice. This is clean though. It's yellow. I'd still get an S2000. Damn, bruh. Dude, it's hella low. Bro, but these S2000s, so much freaking room for activity. Look how big the freaking engine bay is. Put an LS in there. That was gonna make a lot of people mad. Imagine.
My boy did not stop yapping about the LS.
I want an LS swap something. This trunk setup. That's crazy. You never see trucks like that. That's wild. These guys are on the ground. Lexus Fire Meisters. Damn, bruh. The hood exit? That's wild. Got the V-lock on too. Oh, Ruby Star? F80? Hey, yo, what the? Bro, what is...
Bro, he literally just blew his motor.
That was the F80. Bro, what the heck? Bro, we did not just see that, bro. That was the F80.
Right now, bro.
What happened? That is turbo, yeah?
His turbo probably blew up.
Oh my gosh, bro.
You saw that?
That was wild. I just saw that. Crazy. It was that black F80 I was just freaking filming. This car's so clean, bro. I'm not even really like a big Lexus guy, but this is so gas. And of course, bags and my steers can't go wrong. They all pulled up. They're all aired out, car parked. That's it. Yo, peep this. Oh my gosh, they look good together. Bro, you gotta check this. So this is Jerry.
Man.
This is 34. I had to get them to park next to each other because they look so good. Same tails, bro.
Tails.
Same tail lights. That's crazy. Bro, it looks so good. These used to have the OEM tails, so it's weird. I went from these tails back when the car was still red. I swapped into the OEM tails because I didn't really like it with the red wrap. Then I took the red wrap off, and then I didn't really like the OEM look, so put the smoke tails back on, and I honestly feel like it fits way better, bro. It's like a little ring LED, because the OEM ones are just like full, like just a full light, but nah, the ring LED, so much better, bro. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
This is literally Aura right here.
Dude, hella. Damn.
I just gotta get chromed or
Chrome wheels? Imagine chrome on the 34, that'd be wild. And the fog is hitting right now? Nah, that's a vibe.
Hey, the fog is to pay that, bro.
Hello. What'd you pick out of all of them here?
I like that blue one, man.
The blue one? Damn. The BRZ.
BRZ. Hey, man.
Number
At
one.
least someone's showing some love.
This feels weird hopping in the left side. It's like I'm about to drive it, but I'm a passenger. This is so weird. What the heck?
Wrong, bro.
Oh, why is it thumpy?
He said it does that. I think it's,
Is that the diff?
yeah, he said it's normal, I guess.
Damn, we're on the left side, but I'm passenger. I'm not even driving. That's weird. Have you ever driven right hand drive?
No.
Never in your
I have.
life?
I've driven an automatic one when I used to live there, like around a parking lot.
Ooh, sounds good. Ooh, that sounds good. What the heck? Oh my gosh, bro, that sounds... Bro, you're like all the way to the left side.
Bro, it's so weird. It's weird. I feel all the.
Bro's in the middle of the road.
Bro, this doesn't feel right at all. I'm like scared on my mind right now.
Hey, when we get back, let's low-key switch.
Okay.
And he'll be like, what the heck? I was in the driver's seat now. It's not the quickest thing, but it sounds freaking crazy.
Honestly, I could care less
Oh my
about speed. If it sounds
gosh,
cool
I
like
feel
this,
you're gonna hit the middle.
I know.
The sounds compensate with the speed.
Bro,
You're about to hit the curb.
Bro, am I actually?
Yo, you have a lot of room on this side.
Oh.
Damn. I wonder if you guys can hear that. This turbo sounds crazy.
He's on this side.
Jeez.
Hey.
Man, I think I gotta get a right-hand drive.
Wow, we got you. Imports now, baby.
It's
Imports.
time. I think it's time.
It's time to sell the
bruh.
Whippingtons.
This is low-key a vibe,
It's
bro.
a big vibe, bro.
Right-hand drive in the States. Jeez. That sounds so good.
Oh, what? Oh, I forgot.
Oh, shoot, you scared me.
Bro. This is so weird.
Bro. Jeez. Man.
I want to sell my car.
This sound is addicting, bro.
We gotta do it.
2026?
We have to. No, next month, bro. Let's go.
Bro, that's sound. I can hear that all day. This is so weird though. Being on the left side. Oh my gosh. Nah, this is so sick. What the heck? Do I look like I'm driving a right-hand drive or no?
I mean,
nah, I feel like not really.
I can see it.
This is so weird though. I feel like I'm like trying too hard. Like I'm thinking too hard. Cause like stick is obviously like natural already, but like being right-hand drive is kind of weird. Oh shoot, it's on the right side. I was about to turn the windshield wiper. I can hear that all day. What would you get right-hand drive? What would you get?
Oh, I want an R34 also.
R34,
like a GTT,
really?
100%, bro.
Shit weird. Hella. Damn, bro.
Bro. How'd you feel? How'd you feel? We selling our cars now or what?
I already have too many cars.
sir.
Dude, it's so
Bro.
fun. Those sounds are crazy, dude. Turbo sounds. So you're like, you lived in Japan or you're stationed there?
I was stationed there for 3 years.
Oh, you're stationed there? And you bought it there while you're stationed?
Bought it.
Damn.
I bought it online without actually looking at the car. So like, I just bought it and I was like hoping it's not like, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? It's not.
Was it like
rusted
stock
anything
or was
like
it, did it look like this?
that. Stockish? Had different wheels. Has a different kit. Like the front bumper
Oh,
is
okay.
different, and then I added these. Like
Added the wing and stuff?
It came with the carpet too? The carpet hood? Yeah.
Nah, I did that. Yeah,
That's
I did
That's
that.
fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was saying he was saying he drove it like literally everywhere all over Japan.
Yeah, like 10 hours.
All the scenic spots in Japan.
Yeah.
That's a vibe.
Took it to Daikoku. Got shot down at midnight, and
the
we had to
meat-
get,
oh, yeah.
yeah, we got kicked out.
That's like the ultimate experience, bro. Like being in Japan, buying a car there, and then importing it here, bro. That's like
Y'all gotta go, bro.
that's like the
It's gotta
ultimate
be
experience.
Dad lore, bro. Your kids are about to talk about you
Wild.
every single day, man.
That must be a crazy feeling, like driving your new car in Japan and then importing it here. Like knowing this was in Japan is wild. It's time for you 34. What about you, Kinsu?
34.
Right-hand drive, BRZ.
Mark II Chaser.
Mark II Chaser. I'll take the RX-7. RX-7, bro.
R7 Chris.
NSX was boosted, I had taken NSX.
Oof, an NSX. bro.
Right hand.
That was pretty eventful. I was not expecting that little night with that 34. Dude, that car's so sick. That got me thinking low-key, like I feel like we've done a lot of like builds around like the same style, but it got me thinking, is it time to go like real JDM? I feel like if I were to import a car, it would be like an RX-7. Bro, an NSX, a right-hand drive NSX would be so fire. I can already see it, bro. Like a bagged NSX with 3-piece wheels. Oh my god. But comment down below, what car, what import do you guys see me driving? I'm kind of curious to see what you guys think. Which import, I guess, best suits me. Kind of curious to see what you guys think down in the comment section. All the homies were saying like, I low-key would fit in an R34. But I don't know. I literally don't know. But I feel like I've always wanted like an RX-7. Something different, you know? Just something different that we've never done on the channel. And that's also one thing that you guys always tell me, like, Chris, import a car, this and that. So maybe that'll be like a 2026 goal. You know, it's something different. I think that's gonna do it for today's video. This was not expected, but the dude with the R34 pulled up. He was one of my friend's friends. And yeah, I'd never met the guy, but he's super chill. And shout out to him for, I think his name was Jerry. Shout out to Jerry for letting me drive his R34. That was like, I think the second time I've ever driven a right-hand drive car. All that being said, I hope you guys all had a good New Year's, a safe New Year's. Right now, at the time I'm filming this, it is January 3rd. New Year's was just a couple days ago, so hope you guys all got your goals, your resolutions ready for 2026. Crazy, man. I can't believe it's already 2026. Insane. But yeah, definitely been, you know, cooking up some ideas in my head for this year. It's a brand new freaking year, man. brand new year, brand new opportunity. So hope you guys all, you know, got your resolutions in line. I definitely got my fair share and I'm still adding to my list. But yeah, man, want to wish you guys all a happy new year. And yeah, with all that being said, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you all have a good one today. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace.